You're listening to AI Prism from Seoul Economic Daily.
Before you sign anything in Korea's property market, the financing math just moved against you. Variable mortgage benchmarks hit a 17-month high, fixed rates already top 7%, and the Bank of Korea may hike today. Meanwhile, Seoul is fast-tracking reconstruction approvals, and price caps in Gangnam and Yongsan just rose. One more change. Bonus income now counts differently toward your loan limit. Here's what that does to your budget. It's Thursday, July 16th. Let's look at what's happening in Korea's property market. Seoul's new administration has made housing supply its priority, compressing reconstruction approvals that once took months. Rising steel prices push the government to lift the construction cost benchmark that caps new apartment prices. At the same time, banks' funding costs are climbing ahead of a possible rate hike, and regulators are tightening how bonus income counts toward loan limits. Here's what the numbers show. The June COFIX rose 0.15 points to 3.05%, its first reading above 3% in 17 months, lifting variable mortgage rates from the next business day. Fixed mortgage rates at the 5 major banks stand at 4.68 to 7.39%, up more than a full point at the top since late last year. A 0.25-point mortgage rate rise adds about 1.8 trillion won, roughly $1.2 billion, in annual interest, or 296,000 won per borrower. The basic construction cost benchmark rose 0.77% to 2,237,000 won per square meter, about $1,510, lifting price caps in Gangnam, Seocho, Songpa, and Yongsan from July 15th. Eunma Apartment won project approval about 40 days after filing, and 15 Seoul complexes cleared integrated review in the first half. Regulators will average bonus income over 3 years instead of 2 in DSR calculations, trimming loan limits for high bonus earners. So what does this mean for buyers weighing a purchase in Korea? Earlier, we said the financing math moved against you. Here's what that actually means for your budget. Recalculate your loan limit under the 3-year bonus rule and today's rates before committing, because an approval now may not match a quote from spring. If you're waiting on a reconstruction unit, faster approvals pull supply forward, but higher price caps mean new Gangnam and Yongsan offerings will cost more, not less. That's today's AI Prism Real Estate. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI Prism is a Won IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.
You've been listening to AI Prism from Seoul Economic Daily.